If your goal is to make money online and ditch your 9 to 5, listen up. This is not a get rich quick type business. It's not. Now, there are those special unicorns that magically get on here and they post something, and within 3 or 4 videos, they do get a lot of people who buy from them. I'm not sure why. I just call them unicorns. However, if you have the right mindset and you're in this for the long haul, right? Because I look at it like this. I'd rather do this for 1 year or 2 years to build a solid business online than to stay stuck in my career at my healthcare job for the next 20 years. So I'm going to share with you what I do every day and what I've been doing every day. It's a non-negotiable for me for the last year, a little over a year. I show up here on TikTok, okay? I post 3 short videos a day. If I go live, I post 2 short videos a day. And those videos can be 7 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds. Some of those videos, like this one, maybe run a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. I batch create my videos. So I'm not getting up every day in a panic that I do not have videos. So I use one day to batch my videos, and then I use another day to edit my videos. I repurpose my videos. I send them over to Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, and YouTube. And I use a software called Repurpose.io, and you can grab it right there. I go live for probably 90 minutes, 3 to 4 times a week. Now I know if you're not at 1,000, you can't go live yet, but you'll get there. Business is automated, so the videos that you see all the time, I've already made them and posted them, but I did put in that work. I also create curiosity. I share value. I talk to you guys. I'm authentic. I'm a real person. And I drive my traffic to my sales funnel, which has my email campaign in it. My goal is to get 42 people a day to that sales funnel. My YouTube channel that I have, I take all my TikTok lives and I post them over there. So if you're struggling, follow this. And guys, when I say follow this, you may need to do this for 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 120 days before you even make a sale. So if you follow the steps that I just recommended and you have the right mindset, you will make a sale. Guys, save this video, like this.